In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the startup page in Google Chrome. This is a great way to personalize your browsing experience and ensure that the pages you visit most often are ready for you as soon as you open your browser. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots lined up in a neat little column. This is known as the menu or the More menu, and it holds a world of options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down list, look for and select the option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings page, a control center of sorts where you can adjust all sorts of preferences to suit your needs. As you're navigating the Settings page, direct your focus to the menu on the left side of your screen. Among the various options, you'll find one titled On Startup. Click on this option. It's here that you dictate what happens the moment you launch Chrome. Once you've clicked On Startup, you'll notice a few different choices for what Chrome can do when it first opens. If you're looking to open a specific web page or a set of web pages every time you start up your browser, this is exactly where you want to be. From here, select Open a specific page or set of pages. This option allows you the most flexibility and is perfect for setting up Chrome just the way you want it from the get-go. To add a new page that you wish to open at startup, look for the Add a New Page link. Click on this, and a small dialog box will appear. Go ahead and type in the address of the website you'd like to see every time you start Chrome, then click Add. You can keep adding more pages if there are several websites you'd like to pop up automatically. There's also an alternative route if you find it more convenient. If you currently have tabs open that you wish to use as your startup pages, look for and click on the Use Current Pages option. Chrome will automatically set those tabs as the pages that open when you start your browser. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up your startup pages in Google Chrome. This simple adjustment can help save time and streamline your daily internet use by making sure your most used pages are ready as soon as you fire up your browser. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to leave comments if you have any questions, and happy browsing.